Steps to composing new blues. We're going to be using a set of notes that will sound good no matter where we put them. The 5 basic notes will be C, D, E, G, A. These 5 notes makes a sound which we call the pentatonic scale. These same 5 sounds you can find easily on the black keys. The new blues composition that the students are working on is in C-Do, so these notes are more appropriate. To make it sound more blues, we're adding some colors to the sound. So I can add this sound, and that may just be enough. This note we can call D sharp or E flat. It has 2 names. They can mark it as an E flat in the music. If they want another color, they can also choose B flat, which can be found below that C, or the B flat above the A. Before they sit down and write it out, they should first do the first phrase. So each measure has 4 beats. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, a 1, 2, 3, 4, a 1, 2, 3, 4. They could do 4 quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or they can add 8th notes. Still doesn't sound bluesy, so we swing the notes. Now these rhythms that I'm using are a little more complex to write down. So once they've fooled around with these notes, playing them, finding the sounds that they like, then they can write their ideas down. Here's a reminder of those notes: C, D, E flat, we're going to call it, E, G, A. They can also use this B flat, which can also be below, right? So if I put this here, you see how it's below. They're using a treble clef, which is already written for them. And as I said, they have 4 measures, and each measure is built on the 1 chord in the first phrase. So they can give me 4 notes. Here's that C. Here's that D. Here's that E flat. If they follow it with an E, though, they have to write another symbol to let me know that they've gone on to a different note. They can add 8th notes. Do you notice I'm not writing in the rhythm yet? They could if they want to, but we'll talk about the rhythm when they bring it in. If they do another E following this bar line, it automatically becomes E natural, but I'm writing it in. So I've stayed within those notes. I didn't use the B flat. So I'm going to now play that. So this is a basic step one of what it's going to look like. These are the notes they're playing with. This is how it translates. And this was the homework to fill in the first phrase.